As part of strategic plans to ensure victory for the PDP and its flag bearer Aswen Ighodalo for the upcoming Edo governorship election, Edo Deputy Governor Engineer Marvelous Omobayo don appoint some physically challenged persons under the Sterling Initiative for Persons with Disability (SIPD) as political aides. This move showed the Deputy Governor's commitment to inclusivity and to get different kinds of support for the election. For one thank you visit to in office for Sadebe Avenue, the Deputy Governor wey Permanent Secretary Abeyuwa Oyemense represent, congratulate the appointees for their well-deserved appointment and commend the SIPD members for their steadfastness and support over the years.
To tell you that he's very, very grateful for this visit of yours, and to also let you know that he's someone who appreciates you, not just as a body but individually. He appreciates all that you have done for him before now, and then he knows that you have very much more to do for him in the future. He has decided to bring you in as his very special aides because you are very special persons, and he knows what role you will play in ensuring that he succeeds in his endeavors as an individual and also as a government. He says to tell you that he is very, very grateful, and he knows that you continue to work with him and you continue to be with him all through now and in the future.
For her remarks, SIPD leader Ighodalo Unu Matthias thanked the Deputy Governor for recognizing their worthiness for the appointment, highlight the group's long-standing relationship with the Deputy Governor and their significant role during in campaign for the Akoko Edo Federal House of Representatives seat for the 2023 National Assembly election. Comrade Matthias also praised Governor Godwin Obaseki for his commitment to the welfare of persons living with disability for the state and pledged the group's readiness to work towards the PDP's victory for the upcoming election, underscoring their dedication and support.
Today, we are surprised that he has invited us here to give us an appointment. And not only giving us appointment, but making us to believe that in the place of things in politics, that we are vital. I want to appreciate not only him, but use this opportunity to remember that the governor, what he has been doing for persons with disability. We are promising that we'll be coming here again, but that time not to collect appointment, but to appreciate his deputy governor, His Excellency, and also appreciate our governor, His Excellency Obaseki, because this their government has actually remembered persons with disability. And we vow and promise that in the next election, we will be present there.
Make una not forget say, as we see him, now so we dey talk am, we know they take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.